Hi, welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Watervliet, Michigan. We have a new 2026 4-star 6-horse head-to-head to show you. It has a 34-foot box. It is 8 foot tall and 8 foot wide. The dressing room is 4 feet. Has a fold-up step at the door, 6 saddle racks, insulated roof, show you the gate here. Okay, the dividers are the Quiet Ride rolling dividers, and they are full to bottom. I'll show you here. Pull this down. You can see fully rubber lined. So these are shipping stalls. It can also go to a 4-horse. Roof is fully insulated. Here, escape door has the drop down with drop down bars, and there's another fold up step at this door. And then drop down doors with drop down bars here. These dividers are just regular. There's not a lower divider, but they are on the Quiet Ride rolling dividers, so they can be moved and changed. Total of 8 roof vents, heavy duty bars on the back windows. Both ramps are easy lift. We have the bars in the gate, rubber line, both are rubber lined. Rubber mats on the floor. We can also, as an upgrade, we pour the worm floors here. Worm stands for we eliminate rubber mats. So it is an option to take out the mats and do a permanent poured floor. Both ramps are easy lift. This trailer has Dexter air ride axles and electric over hydraulic brakes. There is a hydraulic jack on the front. Spare tire, battery box. And this trailer is priced at $126,900. If you have any questions, please call us at 269-463-6121.